Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Where is your Oga?
The Oga went out to test the car. What can we do for you?
But I need to see your Oga.
Oga, forget my Oga. I am the engineer here. The Oga knows the theory and I do the practical.
Okay. If you say so, come and check it. Come and do it.
Okay. Open your bonnet. Oga, what's the problem?
It has been checking.
The car is checking. Ah, Oga, it is the alternator. Oga, the alternator is not supplying power to the carburetor and the injector, so it's affecting the radiator, and the vibrator cannot work effectively. That is why the car is checking.
What do you mean? What business does the radiator have to do with the alternator?
Oga, you need to understand. By the time I finish with this car, you understand me well. Wait, let me put my teeth.
Better to...
Oga, put this.
Can't start, oh.
Huh? Okay, come on.
Watchful of this.
Okay.